Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. Magandang araw, happy day to everyone. Welcome to another episode. And it is a Sunday from where I am. It is the 5th. Tomorrow, what's special about tomorrow? So for me, it would be um, wrestling. For those of you who watch wrestling, so WWE will be moving to Netflix. And I heard that the Philippines is not yet included, so we will not be able to watch it. So I hope that was fake. I hope that's fake news because I love watching WWE ever since I was a kid. So there was who were those wrestlers that I was able to watch as a child? Sergeant Slaughter, Iron Sheik, Texas Tornado, the Red Rooster, um, the Legion of Doom, of course, Hulk Hogan, Andre the Giant, and Macho Man, Randy Savage, and the Ultimate Warrior. you know. Anyway, I'm just excited. Uh, anyway, we circle back to the reaction. We have here the group known as Republican, and they will be performing the song "Kanino Ba Dapat." Kanino is whom. Uh, ba I think would mean should, and dapat means must. So if rough translation would be kani whom should must. I, so if I'm to explain what it means, kanino ba dapat is it's asking to whom should something belong. Or let's say for example, if I'm to make a complaint, kanino ba dapat would mean to whom should I make that complaint? Or let's say if I am to if I found something like let's say someone dropped his wallet, like kanino ba dapat would mean for that situation, to whom should I return it? So if I'm to expound on that situation, let's say two people approach me claiming that it's their wallet. So kanino ba dapat would can also mean who should I who should I return this to? So that would explain what kanino ba dapat means. Anyway, before we give this song a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In three, two, one.
Wish 1075.
Kung hindi ako ang nararapat sa'yo, bakit hinayaan pang mahulog ang puso sa'yo? Oh, wala akong nagawa, minahal kita kaagad, ang puso kong ito, kanino ba dapat?
Naranasan mo na ba ang umibig sa tao na di pala para sa'yo? Pagkatapos mo na mahalin, ibigay ang lahat, sa bandang huli ay ganito.
Paalam sa'yo, salamat sa pagmamahal mo na sa'kin ipinadama.
Naramdaman niya na mahal mo siya, pero bakit mas pinili niya pa ang iba? Ang mga mata napapikit habang binabalikan ng mga nagdaan, hindi na malaman anong dahilan, palaging itinataw mo ko saan ka ba nagkamali at bakit nasawi ang pagmamahal? Bakit ito nauwi ang pag-ibig na ibinigay? Bakit mo nilagay sa kalungkutan at bigati? Ito bang sukli? Pagluhang di maikubli kapalit ng aking katapatan na tila parusa aking pagdurusa. Ano ang mali? Ako'y nilapatan marahil ay di na ikaw ang para sa akin at ako'y hindi para sa'yo. Kung nalalaman ko lang dapat na mahalin, di sana ganito ang natamo.
Kung hindi ako ang nararapat sa'yo, bakit hinayaan pang mahulog ang puso sa'yo? Oh, wala akong nagawa, minahal kita kaagad. Ang puso kong ito, kanino ba dapat?
Ginagawa ko naman lahat para lamang sa iyo, pero bakit mo nagawang saktan ang puso ko? Naatim mo akong iwanan na nag-iisa. Ano ba ang pagkukulang? Bakit sumama sa iba? Pinaniwala mo ako sa iyong mga pangako. Pinaikot mo ako sa palad mo at binigo.
Nagdurugo ang puso ko't pangalan mo ang sinisigaw. Hindi ko lubos maisip kung bakit ka sa'kin bumitaw. Halos gabi-gabi na lang napupuyat sa kaiisip. Kapag nakakatulog, ikaw rin ang panaginip. Hanggang kailan kaya ako magiging ganito? Hanggang kailan magtatanong kung bakit ako'y iniwan mo?
Kung hindi ako ang nararapat sa'yo, bakit hinayaan pang mahulog ang puso sa'yo? Oh, wala akong nagawa, minahal kita kaagad. Ang puso kong ito, kanino ba dapat?
Gulong-gulo na ang isip ko nang ika'y lumayo. Ginawa ko naman lahat, ngunit ako sa'yo'y nabigo. Kanino ba dapat ang pag-ibig na aking inalay? Minahal kita pero bakit sa kanya binigay? Pinilit kong balik-balikan na lahat ng ating alaala, pero di ko magawa na ang sarili lumigaya. Paano kaya ang gagawin ngayong ika'y wala na? Puro pasakit na lang ba ang tangi kong madarama? Mahal kita, minahal mo siya, ano ba ang dapat na gawin? Para bang ang mundo ko'y huminto at naubusan na ng hangin? Ngunit huwag kang mag-alala, nandito lang para sa'yo. Handang-handa ko ng punasan ng bawat luha mo.
Kung sa umpisa pa lang ay di mo na matalaga kaya mahalin. Sana di mo na lamang ako pinasaya. Sana di mo na lamang sakit pinatama na ako'y mahalaga. Di umasa pa sa iyong mga salita, agad ako naniwala. Kaya naman ang puso ay sugatanaw. Para ba sa pagiging gusto na bumitaw? Nandi na masilayan pa ang bukas na wala ka na. Di na mapagod ang mata sa kakaiyak, dahil dulot mo sa'kin talaga nakakita.
Ng langit ka sa akin, mahal at sagot sa mga katanungan na imposible kong malampasan. Na salamat pagkat ako'y yung tinuruan na kung paano mananatiling totoo ang hindi na. Uli lang ang sugatan na puso kong pumapalakpak pa kanina. Sana hindi na lang ako nagsubok ng hindi na nagdarasal pa ng ama namin balik Diyos sa akin at baka ako'y di na magtagal pa.
Kung hindi ako ang nararapat sa'yo, bakit hinayaan pang mahulog ang puso sa'yo? Oh, wala akong nagawa, minahal kita kaagad. Ang puso kong ito, kanino ba dapat? Kung hindi ako ang nararapat sa'yo,
Hinayaan pang mahulog ang puso sa'yo. Wala akong nagawa, minahal kita kaagad. Ang puso kong ito, kanino ba dapat?
Wish Exclusive on Wish 1075.
Yeah. Republican Wish 1075.
Hi Wishers! We are the
Republican.
For more with
And that's the end of the song. Wow, solid, solid. Uh, I hope there's an English version of this. So this is something very nice to share. But I'll do my best in translating some parts, especially the one I actually uh, really dig. I like. I can relate and stuff. So let's just do this first. I can't help it. I need to do it. Uh, so where's the? I'm also making a short. What do we call this? A short uh, for for the reels because I dig the song. Yes, so kakapakinig ko lang ng kanta ng Republic entitled Kanino Ba Dapat? Congrats sa inyo Republican. Solid ang mga bitaw. Nakarelate ako ng totoo. Galing sa puso yung the way ng pagkanta nyo talagang tagos. And good luck, more power sa inyo. Sana itong kantang to talagang ano, yung kumalat ba. Labas kayo ng English version din para yung mga hindi nakakaintindi ng Filipino medyo makakonect sila sa kanta nyo. Again, congrats and more power. Yeah. Peace. Anyway, I'll put that in my shorts later on. So circling back to my reaction. So I did explain what kanino ba dapat means, right? Now the chorus will further give clarity. So what it means from this song. It was mentioned in the last line of the chorus. Uh, ang puso kong ito kanino ba dapat? Um, this heart mine, so this heart of mine, kanino, to whom, so ba dapat, to whom should it go or to whom should it be? So it's like deciding who should this heart go to. Should it be to the person she loves or the person who loves her? Okay. Uh, so that's what the title means. Now, before I go further, there's a description of the song in the an explanation of the song in the description of the video. So it says here, uh, the song conveys the raw emotions of a heartbreak. So heartbreak because this song is from the person who loves the girl perspective. So there's the guy who loves the girl, and then there's this girl who loves the guy. So three persons, and then it's the first person, the guy who loves the girl, who is actually singing, if I may. So the breakdown is so there, I counted like three verses. So the first verse is all um, loving someone who doesn't love you as much. Um, so the line goes something like it's asking us like, have you ever loved someone, yada yada yada, who doesn't love you as much or who doesn't reciprocate the feeling. So that's where the verse cycled, if I may. And then second verse was all about the stuff you do for love, but still the person you're showing it to, the affection you invest, does not really there's no return, if I may, but instead the person still is able, that person still affords to leave that person who is uh, very putting a lot of effort or investment uh, to the relationship. And then the third verse is all about the fact that the person is expressing his love, his affection for that person, and yet that person is showing that feeling to someone else instead of, it could have been me thing. And because of that fact and other stuff, and this is the part where I can relate to you dream about it, and sometimes it's not like you're thinking about it all the time, but it just doesn't get out of your head. There's just those moments that suddenly it kicks in, and then uh it gives you like those memories, like a flashback. And then then it before in between these verses there's this chorus. So for the chorus part I was able to capture it, and I'll translate it for you guys. So first line, kung hindi ako nararapat sa iyo, if not or no, ako is I or me, ang is the, nararapat is deserve or deserving, sayo. So this is like a word, two words that were combined. Sa is to, and yo is you. So if I do not deserve you. So nararapat can also mean belong. So if I don't belong to you. There, and this one that follows is a question. Bakit? Why? Hinayaan is to let or to allow. Mahulog is fall. Puso is heart. And then iyo is you. You know, why? Why did you allow my heart to fall for you? Wala is none. Akong is, you know, me or I. Nagawa is to do something, you know. So so I wasn't able to do anything. So something to express, like to describe being helpless. Oh, I was helpless. Um, or yeah. So this is the continuation why this person is helpless. Um, minahal kita kagad. So kita is also I. Or sorry. So it's like a combination of I and you. So minahal is loved, you, kita, or kaagad, immediately. So it's like I loved you immediately or instantly. And then ang puso kong ito, kanino ba dapat? So I translated this earlier. This heart of mine, to whom should it be or to whom should it belong? So I was helpless. So it's like I loved you almost immediately, and I wasn't able to do anything. Now, my favorite part in the song is the fact that there were like 8 singers here and very distinct rapping styles for an 8-man group. We see different personalities, different styles. So I was wondering whether this group is like a super group composed of individual artists, or are they like truly just one group. Let me know in the comments for those who know Republican, or for those who follow them. So again, going back, my favorite part, it's somewhere around four. It's much earlier than 4:30, so I'll go around 4 minutes 15. I like the part here where there's this rap part, and as they were rapping, there was also a backing vocals going on. So it's like two different lyrics, just having that sweet dance with each other, if I may. So let's have a go again, and then I'll just point it out.
Sa umpisa pa lang ay di
This
mo
one.
na matalaga kaya
So
mahalin.
there's that
Sana di mo na
backing
lang mga
vocals.
pinasaya. Sana di mo
There's
na
that
lang
rap.
masakit pinatama na ako'y mahalaga. Di umasa pa sa iyong mga salita. Agad ako naniwala. Kaya naman ang puso ay sugatanaw. Para ba sa pagiging gusto na bumitaw? Nandi na masilayan pa ang bukas na wala ka na. Di na mapagod ang mata sa kakaiyak. Dahil dulot mo sa akin talaga nakakapita. Ng langit ka sa akin.
Whew, solid. Anyway, that's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Skills TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.